teaches pretty garbage at video games.
What
Yep,
the heck?
Agreed.
It's probably a little loud. Yo, what up? Alright, that should be working now. Excellent. Oh, I'm focused. Oh, it's focused, chat. How to make a game engine. Step by step. Alright, chat, here's what we need. Pros and cons of building a game engine. Pros? Pros? Cons. Significant time sink. That's a pro, chat. They don't know, but that's actually a pro. So, OCaml game engines. What was I looking? It's a holiday. I'm working to listen to you, so I'm early working. Good question. So, chat, riddle me this, okay? I need to be able to draw things, right? Wait, a game engine in OCaml even possible? What do you mean? Of course. Like you can draw things. There is a Raylib bindings thing that was updated somewhat recently, like pretty recently. I personally proved. Well, there are some SDL ones as well. See, I don't know anything about either of these things. That's the main sort of difficulty here, right? Is that I don't know anything about these. Oh, hey. Thanks, Strike. I just got a haircut. So I don't really know why you would what one you would want to do and why you would want to do it. You know what I mean? Ocar's SDL2 is... Oh, Mitch, you're about to get permabanned. If we weren't friends, game over. Ray was pretty simple. SDL slightly higher learning curve, but also not too bad. Okay, well, so here's... This was made by the Raylib author. Ooh, nice. So everyone knows Vampire Survivors / Halls of Torment. That's really the game that I want to make, okay? So I don't care at all about 3D. I don't care about like basically anything besides like this sort of like 2D. It's not even a platformer, right? Like 2D sprites with like I want to make a lot of sprites and I want to smush them onto the screen. And then I want them to fight, and then the thing that I want to do next is then I want to add coding stuff inside. Vampire Dwarf Fortress, exactly. Maybe we should just make it play in the terminal, honestly. Should we just change our minds? We'll just render it in the terminal. Like it would be so much simpler if it was just in the terminal. Like it's only just ligatures and the terminal, you know what I mean? But it's so Zork instead of Vampire Survivors. I don't know what Zork is. No, I don't actually want to render it in the terminal. Why game engine when you can have it in the terminal? I know. The first time I realized programming, couldn't understand most of the concepts. SDL naming convention was confusing me. Blah blah. Years later, and have realized what is XNA? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Looking at teacher. Giga Chad. I was just teaching programming to young art students. And so I made my own gaming library. That is so Giga Chad, dude. Okay, so I was already on this site earlier. Honestly, this makes me just want to use it. I don't care if it's better or not. Like, I want to use it just because this. It's a pretty good reason. Like, that's all I need. Oh, it's something like that? Okay, well, that's also a good +1. Okay, so I don't care anything about 3D. Project sounds dead. Nurses to rescue if you want to create a terminal. Okay. What? Oh, are you saying N curses? I thought you were saying there were nurses to rescue. I don't actually want to make a terminal game. Raylib? Raylib is intended to be linked statically. That's a plus, I think, for me. Should we just try it? Should we just try and load something with Raylib? Raylib OCaml. So we're right here. I mean, this is pretty good. This is just the bindings, right? Add text. We could try this, right? Raylib, a simple and easy to use library to enjoy video games programming. That's what I want to do. But if you make a terminal font, then you can use Berkeley Monitor as the characters. That part is, they're literally characters if you think about it. You know what I'm saying, chat? Like, the font has characters. You know what I'm saying? Just think about it. In the example folder. Most functions take determine a value, which translates to functional language. No OCaml, because pointer need for arrays. Don't care about 3D. 10-10 chat joke. Those will get even better as we approach midnight. Okay, that'll get even better as we approach midnight. During that, the ratio of the supposed to be installed. Details here. Working on GNU Linux. Hey, that's what you're actually referring to is GNU and Linux. Should we just try this? Should we just try this? Shall we just try this, chat? To build examples, make sure just Raylib C module beep 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 beep. All right. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Got announced process and game engines. See, Jay, you need to skip that part by building your own game engine. Right, so you don't have to have analysis paralysis about which game engine to pick when you make your own. We do need to think of a funny name for it, though. We do need to spend at least a few minutes trying to think of a good name, though. I didn't think about this at all. I should have thought about it. We just call the whole thing OCaml. That's not the worst name that I think Twitch chat could come up with. So that's something. The name is the game engine again, but that's too long. You know. Well, this is good. I like it. The way it's gonna be a game. We have to write our own game engine to do it. This doesn't do anything. Raylib just draws stuff on the screen, right? It doesn't do anything. Build it in C, please. No, we're gonna use OCaml. iLadies engine.
iLadies nuts on your face.
Yeah!
Oh!
Give it to me raw.
Oh my goodness!
Well, we're gotta make a game. We'll just call it Dune init project engine for now, and we'll think about it later. Okay. OPAM switch create OPAM updates. We'll update and then we'll use whatever the latest OCaml 5 one is. Ooh, we could call it spicy. We could think of another funny we could try and think of another funny one. OPAM switch list available. Because I kind of want to pick a version where we can do multi-core. Third release candidate, RC3. Sure, we'll try this. Alright. OPAM dep ext Raylib. Therefore, its dependencies must be installed. Okay, so we got to do install required libraries. I guess we'll see. We'll see if this works, chat. I better write these down, otherwise I'll forget how to do it. Okay. Not sure you need to do this. Because I think that should automatically happen, right? OPAM, Raylib, OCaml, we would solve with OPAM. Okay. So once that, nice. Okay, so OPAM, or eval, OPAM end. Dune, OPAM install. Let's also do Merlin. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, we need all those. That's fine. I wonder how many children will be named Chat in the next 10 years. A lot. We're going to try Raylib. But I don't know anything about games, chat. So you got to understand. I don't know anything about games. Okay? Okay? I don't know anything about them. So we're going to try it. I mean, I've played them. I've never built anything. Examples. Core. Audio, we probably don't need that. GUI, models, shaders, shapes. Sure, what can you do? Shapes. I should close. Draw a rectangle. Interesting. It's gonna be fun to watch. Putting into a We're not gonna stream for super long. It's late for me already. It's late for me already, so we can't stream for any anyways. So or forever anyways. So that's totally fine. I just was like, oh, let's just do it. Why not, chat? This is, Mahika, only if you create completely separate like environments for each one, which I tend to do. Is the reactor gen done? We'll still work on it. I just felt like working on like exploring this for now. Oh, so I don't even need to do this? Oh, interesting. So I just shouldn't have to do that. It says that I don't want to do this. Okay, so what if I just do this? Functional programming all about functions? Usually, yeah. Disunity. That's pretty funny. Rage OCaml. Rage Camel, not bad. So Mahika, did that answer your question? Only if you're creating completely separate environments. Like I literally have a completely separate OCaml compiler from this compared to other ones. So I tend to do that just so I don't accidentally, you know, depend on something different for each one or whatever, right? So let's go here. Oops, eval this, okay. And then let's just see if we can get this, I guess. We also should do term get init, okay. Get ignore, and what have we been using for other ones? Oh, we should go back to here. Let's go to here. Let's go to get reactogen, get ignore. We can just take all of these and put this here. And then we can do dune exec main. Oh, dune exec engine -w, right? Okay, bin dune, libraries, Raylib. Oh, it just opened one. Where did I go? Hey, look at this, chat. Congrats, you created your first window. Look at this. We did it. We're already pretty much game programmers. Holy cow. All right. See you guys tomorrow. What more do you need? Well, that's pretty cool, though. Engine done. Easy. Time to do 20-minute devlog. Today we're setting up the project, and then we'll just talk about it for 30 minutes. Oh, we do need to figure out how to draw a triangle, right? That's the thing you're supposed to do, right? Is you go to here and you go to like shapes, and like we figure out how can I draw a triangle? There's draw a rectangle. What about draw triangle? Okay, nice. Nice. Vector 2, vector 2, vector 2. Oh, those are the 3 points, I guess. This is not enough points though, huh? Vector 2 dot. It's not make. Is it a init? Set xxy ags angle create. This takes a float and a float. Okay. Oh, the other thing we need to do is term OCaml format. This takes a color. Color dot red. Okay. 400 to 100. Does this even make sense for a triangle? 100 to 200. It says that I should do like this, right? So then I should have like 200 to 200. What about that? Oh, chat. We're 90% of the way done, honestly. Like, practically a Vampire Survivors. Oh, camel, my camel, boys. Honestly, what are we even waiting for? Let's put this on Steam. How much do you think I can charge for this? How much do you guys think I can charge for this? What do you think? I think like we're done, dude. 69420? Triangles as a service? I mean, why not, right? If we have functions as a service. I was thinking maybe free to play, but to access the second triangle of a different color, it's $80 in a loot box. How many power can you handle? Yes, exactly. Microtransactions for every additional triangle. I think it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Different colors in the DLC. Exactly. I wonder, there is a way for me to say that this should by default be like have some properties, right? I don't remember how to do this in Awesome WM. But that's okay. Okay, well that's pretty cool. Core 2D camera, 2D platformer, a whole 2D platformer in one file. Okay, I'm interested. Okay. Okay, so we just have to go, what numbers do we have? 34 and 32. Oh, what? You're telling me I can already play games in OCaml like this? Chat, why are people even writing in Unity? You're telling me people pay money for this? I could do this. It's just like, I'm already having a game. I already have a game, dude. I programmed this very quickly. Well, to be fair, I did copy and paste this. Okay, so let's examine. Let's examine this. Player, environment items, color, player, horse speed. Oof, chat. I know I was talking about your mom. Jump speed, gravity, min speed, smooth fraction. Haven't heard the gospel of the camel true. We brought a game dev renaissance. The age of OCaml is upon us. I mean, look at how easy it is to understand what's happening here. Did you just buy some of that OCaml merch? Did you buy some of that? Yeah. The one on Ocamlist, Mitch? Yeah, my buddy, like Sam is my friend IRL. We've been collabing on the designs. I'll be once we have a more full shop, I'll be shilling it a bunch, I think, which will be fun. You're talking about from this one, right? I've got this in the mail right now. Oh, camel, my camel, baby. That's in the mail coming right now. Yeah. That's what I want. Change the pricing while every install by flow spray. I'm thinking about getting this one too. Or maybe I kind of want to put this on a pocket tee though. I want OCaml propagandist on a pocket tee. So I don't know. So we'll see. What about a neck tattoo? I'll ask my wife. Okay, so center, follow around center, clamp zoom, setup. Okay, set config flags, window resizable. Okay, interesting. That's position, half screen speed, 0 can jump. End of items. Okay, cool. So you make some rectangles. Cool, cool, cool. Need that Christmas sweater. You can just go. It's Ocamlist.com, chat. You can buy stuff there. We're gonna add more stuff there later, but it's me and my buddy. I cannot sell no caps. We should just have a shirt that says no cap. Okay, so this all makes sense. It already has cameras. Oh, Now I'm wondering, is Raylib too advanced? Should we be doing something dumber? And then going and building our own camera thing? No. Right? We should probably just do... This seems good, right? I should probably not want to think about making my own if we can do this part first. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I just want to build Vampire Survivors, right? So I don't really care. I want to build it in an OCaml though, for the fun. Do 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 do. Oh, that's funny. Wait, what is this? Unary negation. Huh, okay. Did you submit a talk? Texas Linux Fest. But it literally says it's for people in Texas. Oh, I see. But I could give a talk. I see what you're saying. I could give a talk and then I would get to go there. Linux gaming and graphics. Holy cow, chat. This is me. Look. Oh my goodness. I'm an expert right here. Like, I just submitted talk about this. Like, have you guys seen? Have you guys seen what I've been able to do? I'm practically... this could be me. Should we submit a talk about OCaml and gaming? Michigan OCaml. Well, here, I will not, I will keep this tab up. Dude, that sounds really good, Warforged. Rectangle T. There's really no like rectangle collides kind of thing. Oh, this tells you if you're gonna collide in the next tick, right? Because you have to kind of predict this. Have you heard of Raylib? It's basically just Unity. The end. That's funny. This is really cool. Okay, so I see how we're checking this, right? Yeah, from the person inside of Unity or whatever. I didn't follow up too much. No. No way, Warforged. No. Oh my goodness. I'm not too happy about this trick. Nice. Now we know that this library is not too advanced, chat. This is more like what we need. You can even zoom in. Space to jump. What else does it say? That's cool. And then it was from an internal employee, right, Warforged? Like it, or like it was actually an employee, which was wild. Oh, it was not? Okay, I don't know. I thought I had heard that it was, but like I don't, like I said, I did not really look into it very much. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, we got to try this one too. Oh my goodness. What the heck? This thing actually has so much stuff. I'm a gamer, dude. What the heck? How can it look that good? Oh yeah, you like it, Warforged? Yeah, I think overall it seems really nice. Like everything has, yeah, Wes seems like a pretty cool dude. VR, no. Loading thread. Nice, Warforged. You should, yeah. Build a game with non-Euclidean geometry easy. I've already watched too many YouTube videos about making game engine to draw non-Euclidean geometry in your games. Okay, so Vim9 was not bad, to be honest. Oh, Vim9 script, you're saying? I mean, it's much better than Vim script. Agreed. Dude, I mean, imagine writing a game with like proper pattern matching and types and like a good experience. This seems like actually good. F sharp kind of cool. Chat, stop talking about F sharp. I'm not going to do it. F sharp gets mentioned again. Model animate. You can do model animation and stuff too. This thing actually has like a lot of stuff. Wow, I'm pretty impressed with Raylib. F sharp is real propaganda. Is true. True. Hello, how often do you stream? This is a great question. That's a great question. It is true though. They're like, oh yeah, we should totally pick .NET. We'll write it all in C#. That's what they tell to everybody, and then surprise. Okay, well this is really cool. I feel like I should use Raylib. This seems really straightforward. A bunch of it seems really good. We can write stuff to make vectors. I don't want to do anything 3D. "13 ways of looking at a turtle." Oh, for F# video. I'm still not going to try F# though, out of the principle of the thing. For nearly all function types and always subset of tests thus far, see examples. Contributions are welcome. Well then in that case, I will put this right here and I will watch it later. Sure, this is a family-friendly audience. Exactly. Hey, Antonio, look at this. Look at we I already have an FPS. I'm already almost done. Pew 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 pew. We're pretty much done. I think honestly, like, give me a day or two, we'll have I didn't make any of this, to be clear. I just copy and pasted it from this Raylib example. This is Titanfall 3. Actually, this is the Lost Overwatch 2 content with the PvE stuff that they said they were going to make. No. It's running so smooth. It does look really smooth. Oh, we don't have any collision detection. Well, that's probably why it's really fast. Anyways. It's really... really impressive stuff. Oof, Overwatch 2. I don't even know anything about Overwatch 2. I just heard that it was in shambles and Blizzard lied about everything. So, yeah, that's all I know. Yeah, just using the Raylib bind and just copy and pasting these in. I heard it was written in F#. Heard the same thing. What does it say? Right, left to move, mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Oh, that's cool. R to reset. I heard that the animation engine for Cars 2 was written in F#. It just sneezed all over me. Sorry, chat. Hey, night Lotus. This is actually just like surprisingly easy to read. So there's kind of a big problem here. The big problem is that this is kind of like too easy to start, and I'm worried I'm going to spend time on it. It's a V mode. RM-RF the folder. Get out fast. Don't think about it again. I have to make a meme site for Prime. Are you scared of commitment? Nah. I've been with Kayleen since I was 15, chat. Definitely not scared of commitment. You proved to you can do it. True. That's almost as good as making the game. That's almost as good as making the game. Right. So I proved to myself I can make the game. So that's almost the same thing. What game are you gonna make? So I'm confused on what the big problem is. I have things in my life to work on otherwise. But 15, that's awesome. Hey, thanks, Mika. Time management, exactly. How old am I? 16. No, just kidding. 29. So almost half of my life me and Kayleen have been together, which is pretty sweet. On my birthday, it will be. It's game dev. Let it be game dev. Hey, thanks, Hard Fun. No, I'm not really worried about, like, it's not really about my time. It's just that I have other projects that I want to accomplish, chat, right? There's like other things in my life to work on. So I just don't know if I want to start it because I feel confident I won't finish it based on how much stuff I have to do. But X, Y, width, height. Full screen mode, sure. Oh, okay. Full screen mode jacked up my resolutions. That's fine. All right, so let's say we want to do something like this, right? Where we make a 2D camera, and let's just try and put a rectangle like in the middle, right? And then what would you want to do? You would want to have guys moving towards it, right? Like in a loop, right? So let's say we make one dude in the middle. We're not going to do anything with the like buttons or anything like that. I was also tempted to like explore. So we completed your rail stream for 5 minutes. Yeah, that's probably fine. Yeah, I actually did already. I actually did look at that already. Believe it or not, I already read the changelog and the PR. I didn't understand everything that was happening in it, but I saw. Because I already know what this is. I was thinking some of this stuff might be pretty helpful as well. To understand how it actually compiles. That would actually be, because okay, so my understanding is, right? Tell me if this is actually correct. Tailmod cons is basically like we couldn't actually figure out how to do this normally with tail recursion, but you can pretend it's tail recursion. Does it do it by using some local mutability or something? Nice. Right, so it says, I see what you're trying to do. Well, it doesn't really see that. It uses this. And then it can work faster by no side effects. By not exposing any mutable stuff inside. So this has to happen for regular OCaml. Does this happen like in C? Instead then? Like when it does the list? Or something? Or does it happen in some way like, because it's not a mutable data structure, right? Like how does it work we're using the same transform they use. This happens in the lambda. Lambda has mutable blocks. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right, I'll have to I'll look at this part later though. Lambda maps very closely to the memory model. Wait, lambda or flamda? That was weird. Oh, was I pressing a button? I do like flamda as a name. All right, let's see if we can put, so a record with one muted field equals one mutable block. Record with one muted field, one mutable block. Okay. Just a box with one pointer. Ah, got it. All the same versions of a box with one pointer. Let's delete this. We're not going to do anything with buildings. We're not gonna do anything with these or this. So I'm assuming, so how would you normally like, do you have to draw some, like the screen every single time as in the land representation? Okay. I really don't know anything about in the middle. Okay, lambda line, okay, okay, cool. True, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so we make a player in the middle. We create a camera. So let's just say we do something like type state. And we can just say like player is a player dot t or something like this, right? And that's it for right now. Module player struct. And this is just all dumb, right? But like type t is rectangle dot t, something like this, right? Is this elixir? Elixir. No, but some people will be happy that you've heard the word elixir before. This be OCaml, my camel. Ryan Richards are in shambles that it's not elixir. True. Oh, camel, my camel. Oh, camel with snake casing? Bruh. What do you mean? Camel casing for OCaml. That's actually not how it works. Okay. So this is our loop. So we can say and let's go ahead and for right now, we'll just do a bunch of this stuff here. That's fine. All right, for right now, we'll just say let player is player direct in this. Okay, that's fine. We don't want to do any of this. We loop. Okay, so we can call it self. Okay, we just won't do this. Okay, that part's bad, but it's fine. I can sense you'll be doing Lisp. I have done Lisp. All right, cool. So here we have our rectangle. That's nice. So let's say we wanted to make like a mob, right? Like a mob can move towards the player or something like that, right? And each tick it could move forward some speed. Let's just make one right now. You just do like a regular list. I don't know. This is like this is like exactly how you wouldn't do this, right? Like, surely the way that you would do this is not just creating like a linked list of all the mobs. How many mobs can I put inside of a list and run at 60 FPS and like check how fast they need to move or something, like, or how far they need to go? How fast is a computer, chat? Computer crunching numbers fast. It's true. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle, rec. Clear background. Okay. Begin mode, 2D camera. Interesting. Draw a rectangle. This is, I don't need this. Draw a rectangle, player. Yep. Okay. Draw a line. Cam X, cam Y. I don't think I need any of this. $3.5. All right, so let's go and draw. Let's draw the rest of these, right? So we're gonna do like list iter. All right, so the next thing we need to do, term OPAM install base. Which one's I usually use base, right? That's slow. I could keep the frame rates up at high 20s with not even 100 hash closures, not slow. I think we use base usually because I like to make. Okay, nice. So let's do this. Let's go to here. Let's add base. Open base. Oops. So then we would want to do something like if that's okay. What number is this? Okay. Oh, hey, look, there's my mob. Why is it taking up the whole screen? Human eye can only see, no, it can only see 24. Why is it so big? Like, it wasn't doing that before. Why did it start doing that? I actually don't know. But so now we could add more mobs, right? So like we could just take this And we could draw this one at, you know, like 200. This one's 60 or something like this. Look at that. Now we've got a different mob here. Okay, sweet. So that's pretty easy. So then we would just want to make it so that each tick, they move closer to the player, right? I'm dropping frames. I don't think so. What? All right, we probably go for like 10 or 15 more minutes. And then we can say, now we need to basically update all the mobs' positions, right? So we'd say like, let mobs is list.maps. All right, let's see, Cody. How close were you? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. Create width, set X, set Y. Oh, nice. We don't have to garbage collect all these. We can just go. We can use mutability if we want, right? We can say list iter. We can just go like this. Rectangle. No. I think this is just going to do this, right? Rectangle. Oh my goodness. Rectangle dot set X. Because this takes a T and a float, right? So we can just say like mob rect. Look at this. Nice. Look at this, chat. Nice. They're moving. But we want to move them closer to the we want to move them closer to the, how can I say this? To the player, right? I don't know why I was having a hard time saying that, right? So we just want to basically say, like, we want to do this for set Y as well, right? We basically want to do something like this. We would say, like, let direction is true, Stu. You're not wrong. If rectangle, I feel like we're gonna end up writing a lot of like a lot of little things like this, but rectangle. Oops. Okay, so that's just the wrong way. Nice. Look at this. Now they're going to kind of wiggle back and forth, right? Or he's basically just going to stay there. Oh, chat. I think I might be pretty good at programming here. Look at this. We already made him go to the player. We just want to do the same thing. Pretty much just do this, right? Oh. Oh, chat. no big deal. Let's actually set this to, instead of this, we'll do like black or something. Does this make this so that, nice, there we go. Now it's not, look at this. I mean, is this not Vampire Survivors? You know what I mean? Like, I think we did it. Call it early access. Oh, the other thing we can do is we can say like they have different speeds, right? So this one's gonna be like 5. Like one's gonna move way faster. Like I'm already a programmer. Like I'm already a game dev programmer. Call it early access. True, and charge 5 times as much. Dang. Okay, we're actually at a pretty decent place to stop, unfortunately. Trying to think. Oh, I should definitely go to bed. I gotta get up in 5 hours to go eat breakfast with some friends. So I should go to bed. But this is actually so cool. I can't believe how easy this was. Oh, Ninja, by the way, thanks for subbing. I didn't say thank you, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Bereeves, hey, thanks for the sub. Sorry, we'll be doing definitely some more of this week, I think. This is really fun. Well, right now I'm just thinking, but I should go to sleep. Like this shouldn't even. So there's got to be. What else can we draw? Draw, billboard, circle, lame, cube, cylinder, ellipse, FPS. Oh, nice. We can draw FPS. Okay, I don't. Oh, this is where we're drawing it, so I could put this at. Nice. Sweet, so we can make sure that we don't scuff everything. We got to figure out how to change like the DPI or something to make the text bigger. I don't know how I would do that. We'll figure that part out later. Oh, what else can we draw? So that I can think about this while I'm sleeping. Of course, we already drew triangles. We can draw textures. I don't know how to make any textures. We can draw text and spheres. Do we need anything besides those? There were animation examples, right? Inside of here. Like in models. We can draw a circle. We can do that already. Model animation, right? Texture. Okay, so I don't know how you make IQMs. I don't know what any of these things are, chat. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is this? Right, we can draw sprites and models and textures. Like, what is an IQM file? It can do fonts as well. Yep. Draw model. Model position. Draw cube. Interesting. Okay, cool. I'm pretty excited to play with this some more. I still can't believe we can do this. Like, with basically so little code. I mean, is that not just awesome? I think it's really cool. No. Alright. Let's raid somebody. And then I need to go to bed.